Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious dairy milk milkshake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of cold dairy milk, 2 to 3 scoops of your favorite ice cream, and a tablespoon or 2 of flavor syrup. Make sure your ice cream is slightly softened, not rock hard, for the best blending experience. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and creamy result every time. Now, let's get blending. Pour your 1 cup of dairy milk into the blender first. Then, add your 2 to 3 scoops of softened ice cream and the 1 to 2 tablespoons of flavor syrup. Secure the lid tightly. Begin blending on a low setting for about 15 seconds to combine everything. Then, increase the speed to medium-high and blend for another 30 to 60 seconds until your milkshake reaches a perfectly smooth and thick consistency. The beauty of a homemade milkshake is customization. Feel free to experiment with various ice cream flavors, from classic vanilla to rich chocolate. You can also add exciting mix-ins like fresh berries, crushed cookies, or even a spoonful of peanut butter. For a thicker shake, use less milk or more ice cream. For a thinner consistency, simply add a splash more dairy milk until it's just right for you. Once your milkshake is perfectly blended, it's time to serve. Carefully pour the creamy concoction into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream, a bright red cherry, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. Remember, milkshakes are best enjoyed immediately while they are still wonderfully cold and thick. Cheers to your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.